Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. Wishing you health, success and all this good stuff in this new year. So let's jump into this gorgeous video. As you can see, it's a red. We're coming in strong. I'm going to start off with the Hude Beauty Topaz Obsession palette, and I'm going in with that brown for my transition color, and I'm just going to take that back and forth in windshield wiper motion into my crease and also onto my lid. As you can see, I'm just building up this color to the exact shade I want it. Now I'm going in with the Natasha Denona Sunset palette and taking this pink from the palette, and I'm just going to apply it right on top of that transition color that I applied. As you can see, it's such a gorgeous pink. It's vibrant, it's just so beautiful, and I'm just doing the same, just building up the colors, taking also onto my lid. You'll see why. Taking the Jackie Aina and Anastasia collab, and I'm using Big Wig, which is a purple from the palette, and just putting that onto my outer V and taking that into my crease. So this time I'm getting a bit more Pacific, and I'm building up that color as well as we go along. You'll see why I'm just dragging these colors, and I'm just going in and making sure that I'm blending everything together so everything is just seamless and flawless. Always remember, blend, blend and blend. Keep blending and the look shall come out gorgeous. Now I'm taking Anastasia eyeshadow primer, and I'm just going in and just carving out a cut crease. So this really helped me, taking a liner brush to do this. The Anastasia eyelid primer is so amazing for this kind of work, I think, because it's not runny, it's just the perfect consistency. And as you can see, using a angled brush, a liner brush also helped me to be very precise in where I want everything to go, and nothing went out of place. I made a little bit of mistake on this side, and as you can see, I'm fixing it by applying the same shadow I used as before to just correct the mistake that I made. But look how gorgeous this cut crease look. Now I'm taking that pink, it's like a red from the Jackie Aina palette. Check the description box for all the products that I use throughout the video. I won't remember every single name, but as you can see, I'm just packing this onto my lid in small motions, small spurs. So I'm just packing. I'm going back and I'm keep on packing, because I realized that the more you pack, the more the color will stick. So I'm just going back in and taking that same purple with a more smaller brush to just add detail to this look. As you can see, the brush is very tiny and it's going right into my crease, so it's not dispersing the color everywhere. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm going to start blending out that shade, just lightly, very lightly blending this out so that it don't go everywhere and it stick into the cut crease kind of way. Now taking a clean fluffy brush and just blend everything together. As I said, keep blending. Even when you feel like you've done blending, keep blending some more. I felt like I needed some more pink to the look, so I went into with a more smaller detail brush and just added the pink that I needed. As I said, this look is about detail work, so you're gonna be going back and forth. It's tedious, but it's worth it. Now I'm taking like a dark brown, I'm going into my crease as well, because I thought I could deepen this up just a little bit more, and now I'm blending again. It's such tedious work, but it's so worth it. Now I'm taking kind of a red lipstick and I'm just applying that underneath my eye to cancel out all the dark circles that I may have, because lately I've been having a lot. Taking the Nars and Lancome foundation, mixing those two together to get my perfect shade, perfect mixture, concoction, whatever you want to call it. It's so beautiful. When I tell you these foundations together, oh my god, I'm in love. So I'm taking a brush and I'm stipping this all over my face. Lately I've been loving a brush to just apply my foundation and concealer, just to give the beauty blender a break. I find that it gives me a more natural and beautiful look more than the beauty blender. And as you can see, I'm just going in with one concealer, which is shocking. I'm always mixing my concealers. The Fentybeauty 360 concealer, and I'm just applying that everywhere that I want to highlight or the light to hit me. So that's underneath my eye, you know, everywhere you want to highlight. Everyone knows how to highlight in 2020. Come on. And now I'm just going in with a brush. Now, as I said, I've been giving my beauty blender a break. I'm going in with a brush and I'm going to start blending that out, and I'm also using my foundation brush with that to make sure there's no harsh demarcation on my face, as you can see, so everything is just seamless and beautiful. I love how this came out. It was, when I tell you, it is absolutely gorgeous. I was so shocked at how beautiful this look came out that even I had to do a double take, like, oh my god, look at this blending. And I didn't use a beauty blender to even help me to blend everything else into place. As I said, sometimes you have to switch it up between the beauty blender and the brush. As you can see, everything just looks beautiful and flawless. Now I'm taking the Laura Mercier translucent powder and just setting all that highlighted area into place, so nothing budged, everything stayed that day. When I tell you, I went out for a good couple of hours, came back, and my face was still flawless. And now I'm even starting this trick where I'm putting the translucent powder on my eyebrows, because someone told me about that. That just makes your eyebrow last a little bit longer. Taking the Anastasia Glow Kit in Sun Dip, and I'm just using that as my brow bone highlight. Now I'm going to make sure that I blend everything together so everything is just seamless and beautiful. Now I'm just taking a big fluffy brush and just taking away all that excess powder off my skin, because I don't want it to sit there and bake for too long, because then I look like a mummy. Now I'm taking the Mario Badescu spray and just spritzing my face to take away all of that powdery look, which actually really helps. Now I'm just going to go in with the Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in dark 3 and just bronze up my skin, so everywhere that you would bronze, so you hollows of your cheek, temples, everywhere that you would put bronzer, that's where I'm putting it, just to give me a little sun-kissed glow, to bring me back to that warmth in my skin, because we did take that away. Now I'm going in with Nars blush in, I don't remember the name, please check the description box. It's a gorgeous blush. As you can see, it just works with this look. I just applied a tiny amount, then taking the same Anastasia Glow Kit and I'm just applying everywhere that I would normally add highlight, but just subtle, because this red look is so popping. I don't want to do too much to go overboard with the glow. So just a simple glow, as you can see, and you know me, I can go overboard with. Now I'm going in with the Inglot number 77 gel eyeliner, and I'm just going to apply that to my waterline. You guys know this is my absolutely favorite gel liner. Have you guys tried it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know in the comment section. And then I'm just gonna go in with the Natasha Denona palette and taking that pink and just really smoke out my bottom lash line to pull this look together. As you can see, this look is so beautiful. I keep saying this throughout the video, but it really is. I'm just taking some clear brow gel and just setting my brows into place. If you want to know everything that I use, please check the description box, because it has all the information. As you can see, I just applied some lashes and it just brought the look together. Taking the NYX lip pencil and I'm just going to outline my lips, and as you can see, it's just gorgeous that I used this brown to go with the red. I didn't know if it would have suited the look, but it did. I'm just going in with a lipstick. Please check the description box for all the products that I use. Everything is listed, and this look just came together so beautifully, if that's a word. And I'm just going in with the MAC Fix blush and spritzing my face, and then I'm going in with my mascara. I learned this trick a while ago now, because I'm so fed up of me ruining my makeup by having mascara all over my face. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave me a thumbs up, and also leave me in the comments what you want to see on my channel next, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.